I want to ask you a very, very simple question tonight. Are you a fervent Christian? Nabay pagkamainit tong diha sa imong espiritu. You're serving God. That's wonderful. You give your time. Muhabag sa imong time mo. Alawat sa Diyos. Faithful sa simbahan. Magbasa sa Biblia. Magampo ka. Pero nabay kalayo sa imong kalag. Where's the fervency? Nabay kalayo sa imong kasing-kasing. Is there a passion inside that says, I want my life to make a difference? Kana ko nga kung kinabuhi, mag-ibot kalihinan para sa gingharian sa Diyos. So why do we lack fervency? Na naman kulang na to. Kulang na to. Kulang ta. Sapat ka mainit to sa atong Christian life. I'll tell you why. There's a lot of little reasons, but there's really only one big reason. Are you ready? Do you know why we lack fervency in our soul winning, in our ministry work, in our day-to-day life? I'll tell you why, right here. Because we lack fervency in our personal walk with God. Service for God flows out of your walk with God. And if your walk with God is boring, your service for God will be boring. Kung bugnaw mong kasing-kasing kabahin sa pagbasa sa Biblia, kabahin sa pagampo, you don't pray fervently, you listen to me. If you don't pray fervently, you will not witness fervently. You will not pass out tracts fervently. You won't invite people to church fervently. Because service for God is an overflow from your walk with God. Ang pagpangalaga sa Diyos, mag-awas. Gikan sa imong paglakawan sa Diyos. Do you know what's lacking in our Christian life? Do you know why our heart is cold about souls being saved? Because our heart is cold while we walk with God, if we walk with God at all. Pwede kong musulot din mo sa ras ng gikapoy ka o espiritual. Can I tell you why you're spiritually tired? There's no fervency in your walk with God. You're not seeking God's face fervently. We need some Christians who will become passionate in their walk with God.